Your screen is not visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Whether I'm not audible, students, till now?
Yes, ma'am, you
Yes,
are not
No,
audible.
now
ma'am.
previously you are
Because I
not
was
audible.
asking you long time.
No, ma'am,
What, ma'am?
previously you were not audible, ma'am. Right now you're
Sure,
audible.
okay. Sure, okay. So this is a problem we were seeing in the last class. What are the answers for these voltage V1 and V2? You people told you got the answers for that.
7.5.
V1 is 7.5.
V2 also
What about
7.5.
V2? V2 also 7.5. Is it
Ma'am,
both
that
7.5, ma?
possible, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, that is not possible.
Any other answers are there, students? Any other different answers are there with you, ma? Somebody told, I can't hear you properly, ma. Is it this answer all of you are getting? Students, again, I'm not audible to you.
Yes, sir, ma'am. You're audible, ma'am.
Whether this is the answers you're getting or you didn't do. Say what is the situation.
Ma'am
You
didn't
want me
do.
to do means I'll do it and show you.
Ma'am, please give 5 minutes. We'll.
Sure, okay, ma, I'll give you the idea also. We'll discuss and you do it, marks. Okay, two nodes are there. How many equations will be there for this one is? Two nodal equation will be there, isn't it? V1 and V2. Three nodes are there. One will take as a reference node. So we have two voltages V1 and V2. So node 1, how do you write the equation? If I take this branch, it will be V1 minus V. If I take node 1, I'm saying that it is only current leaving the branches. Okay. So, because I'm assuming other than the current source, everything is only current leaving the branches. So, in that case, what is the, if I take this branch 2 ohms and 5 volt here. So, how do you write that equation, students?
V1 minus 50 by 2.
Yeah,
V1 minus
V1 minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, minus 0 here. Okay, that we, if you want, you can start with the writing. Later on, you can neglect, no problem. Then this one, if I take 6th branch, 6 ohm branch, it will be V1 minus 0 by 6, isn't it?
6.
Then if
Yes,
I
sir.
take this branch, 4 ohm is carried between which and which voltage?
V1 minus V2 by 4.
V1 minus V2 by 4 is equal to 0. This is what you will be getting in your first equation. So then you get the terms. So it will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4 of V1. Then this is equal to minus 1 by 4 of V2 is equal to 50 divided by 2. That is 25. This will be an equation number 1. Whether all of you got like this, students, for nodal 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then for node 2, again, if I start writing for node 2, again I should assume that this is a higher potential. Only current is leaving from here. Okay. You should not say, madam, previously current is entering here. How can you say it's leaving? No. There's only assumption made nodal analysis. Whenever, whichever node you're taking, that should have a higher potential other than the current source. Okay. So if I write for this branch for 4 ohms, how do you write? V2 minus V1 by 4. Isn't it, students?
Yes, ma'am.
V2 minus V1 by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Then for
Then
this
V2
3
plus
ohms, how do
0
you
by
write?
3.
V2
V2
minus
minus 0
0
by
by 3. Then this one again, this is plus to minus, so
3.
it will be V2 minus
V2 minus
20
20
minus
by
0
5.
divided by 5 is equal to 0. Is this framing of equations okay, students, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then correct the terms, it will be 1 by 4 into V1, then plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 into V2, It is equal to 20 by 5. That is 4. That will be your equation number 2. Okay, now solve this and see what is the answer you're getting.
Ma'am, the V1 and V2, that answer is wrong because I took 10 instead of 50.
Oh, okay. Then this should be changed. Okay. Then update me with the answers of V1 and V2 students. Once you're getting the answer, just update me with the answer.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in that V1 minus V2 upon 4, ma'am, can you tell me how is it 4, ma'am? Shouldn't be there 7?
Where, ma'am? In this V1 minus V2.
Node 1, ma'am. Node 1, ma'am. Yeah, if we are talking
Yeah,
about
node 1. Yes,
that.
ma'am. See here,
Yes.
ma'am. See everything. You have to see any branch. You have to see between two voltages. What are the branch? What are the elements available, ma'am? If I take this branch, V1 and V2 alone. See, only the element, branch element you have to take like this. Okay, it should be like taking. So this branch, you have the voltage like V1. This is 0, this is 50, and this is 2. If I take this branch, only this element should be considered. So V1 minus 50 minus 0 by 2. Like that, if I take this branch, 6, no, only this one now, V1 by 6. Similarly, if I take this branch, only between V and because between two nodes only you have to take. Between these two nodes, only this element is there.
Ma'am, we'll not consider that a reference point, ma'am, in this.
No, not like that. Between from that node to another node, whatever element is there, it is not up to the reference point. It is only from the node to another node, whatever the element is there, that should be framed as the equation, not to the reference.
Okay.
Here, no other option. It is only with this node ends only with the reference. This node is also ending with the reference, but here it ends to the another node. So between two node only you should consider, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Fine.
Understood.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why again here also the same concept. V2 minus V1 by 4, V2 minus 0 by 3, V2 minus 20 by 5 like that, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Understood. Okay, ma'am. So what are the answers, students? Still you are not getting the answers?
Ma'am, 157.5.
V1, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
157.5, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What about V2?
477.5.
477.5.
Yes, it is wrong.
You're getting some other answer?
Ma'am, I'm getting a second answer for this. V1 is 30.79 volt.
V1 is 30.79 volt. V2?
Ma'am, 12.89 volt.
12.9. Probably this might be the answer I'm thinking because we have only 50 volt here.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I was
Because
saying.
our total voltage is only 50 and 20 something here. So it should be around this. Check it out, Shima. Check it out, ma. Check out this answer. And anybody else getting the same answer? Anybody first one, second one, which one answer are you getting? I want everybody to do and see the problem. Don't just copy the steps and answer. You do it and see by your own. Then only you'll get the idea. That's what I'm saying. Every time you come with your note, pen, and the pen and the calculator. Still, you want some time, students? So much time you require for doing this simple problem?
Doing, ma'am. 1 second.
My V1 is coming 31.39 and V2 is 15.12.
Oh, why so different? So many different
Yes, ma'am,
answers.
I got the same one.
Which one, ma?
I
30
got the
point?
same answer. 31.39 and 15.12.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
31.39
And
or wait, once again.
15.12.
31.39 and V2 is 15.12.
12.
Okay, this is the another answer. So, okay, we'll try it. This is 0.92, isn't it, students? V1, this will be 0.25 V2. This is equal to 50 divided to 25. Okay. So this will be minus
Oh, yes, I am also getting this only 15.121. Like
0.25
the last
V1.
one. The
Yes,
last
ma'am.
one, yes.
Now this is 4 inverse plus 3 inverse plus 5 inverse. This is going to be around 0.78. I'm approximately 2 decimal point. 3 decimal point if you do, then again small changes will be happening. So 4, isn't it? So just substituting the equations. So 31.29, 15.15 I'm getting. Okay, it's nearing the last answer is the right answer. So the answer is V1 is 31.29 volt, V2 is 15.16 volt, something nearing to that. Okay, do the approximation. If you take the entire values and do, or if you take 3-point approximation, you have some variations. Okay, so that is not an issue, but around 31 volt and around 15 volt, that should be the ultimate answers. Is it okay, students, all of you?
No, ma'am, wait a second.
I checked it also, ma, it should be the same.
No, I'm getting a slight deviation, ma'am. Like I'm getting it as 31 and 13.3, 13.5, something like that.
No, it's 31 and 51. See here, ma, this approximation is 0.92 you're getting, 1/2 plus 1/6 plus 1/4 is how much? Around 0.92.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, 0.92.
And this 1/4 is 0.25, you all know that. 50/2 is 25. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this part is around, again, 0.25. This part is I'm getting 0.78. Is equal to 4. So you solve this one, you will be getting 31 point something, 15 point something only.
Okay.
Okay, ma. Check it out. So, okay,
Excuse me,
Shubham?
ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
I'm
say.
getting ma'am, I'm getting V2 as 47.116.
No, ma. See, this values, brother. These values are right. 0.92, 0.25, 25, 20. This one is right only, no, 0.78 is 4. One by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 is how much? 0.7811 something. Okay, so it's okay.
0.783. Yes, ma'am.
0.78 something. So I'm approximated to 0.78, isn't it? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
part is right there. No, then that is right only, ma. 0.783.
Ma'am,
Previously, one.
but from if we use node 2 equation with node 1 equation, the V2 is coming out to be 47.11, not 30.
How come different answers will be coming? So this is this one 0.92 V1 minus 0.25 V2 is equal to 25. That is right or not? As per your thing there, third equation. Whether you are getting like these values.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I wrote 0 instead of it.
That is the problem. So second, this one is 0.25 V1 plus 74. Then compulsorily you should get the answer near to 31 and 15 only, ma. No choice.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
I verified. So okay, students. Okay, this problem is okay for everybody. You should get answer 31 point something or 15 point something. I'll give you another problem so that you will be getting clear idea about this nodal. Okay, note down this problem. Find the node voltages using nodal analysis. Okay. So note down this problem, students. This is the third problem or second problem nodal. Third problem. This is second problem. This is third problem. All of you note down this problem. Say me how many nodes is there in this problem. Just see this problem and say me how many nodes are there in this problem.
2, ma'am.
3.
3 nodes
3.
and one is going to be reference node. So 2 node equations you will be getting. Let us take this as node 1, this is node 2, and this is a reference node. Start writing the equation and get me the values for V1 and V2 students. Okay. Have you all noted down?
One question, ma'am. One question.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing, I'm sorry. Nothing. What it?
No problem. So, okay, students, I'll take the attendance. Meanwhile, complete this problem. I want everybody to do this problem. Or else just wait. So, okay. Now you say, students, how to write this? Yes.
In the node 1 equation where there is 5 ampere, we'll have to add it or subtract.
Yeah, that's what. Wait, I'll give the explanation. I thought of.
We will
Okay.
directly write it as
See, always
5
I told you
is
that
equal to
current is leaving from the node. Other than which one? Every time you note down my word. Other than the current source, I used to say always. Current source, whatever the direction is there, you take as such. If it is entering, you take only entering the node. If it is leaving, you take only leaving the node. Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
sources you cannot change. Even here also, voltage source, if it is positive and negative only, you put negative there. If you have negative and positive, you should put plus only there. Okay. Sources direction you cannot change. Only the direction of the resistors flowing there we can change. Okay. So that's how, other than the current source, everywhere you're only leaving the current. So here how many currents are leaving, how many current is entering? Current source is entering here, isn't it? The node. Current entering, KCL says that current, sum of the current entering is equal to sum of the current leaving. So this is an entering direction. So these two are current leaving things. Okay, ma'am. So how to write this one is V, if I take this
5 is
branch
equal
10 V1 minus 0 divided by 10 plus 3 ohms between which and which? How do you write 3 ohms, students?
V1 minus V2 divided by 3.
V2 divided by
V1
3.
minus 3 divided by 3. These two are current leaving. So this is equal to current entering. Current entering is how much?
5.
5. Okay, ma. This should be your first equation.
Ma'am, one question.
Same.
Ma'am, in that 5 ampere one, it's a current meter, right? Like it will say, so what's the current, right?
Yes, my current source. 5 amperes.
Ma'am, in that meter, like current source should be connected in series with the resistor, no, ma'am? It is shorting out the resistor, right? Like.
See, generally, ma, current, if you put in series to a resistor, then whatever you do, until it finds the node, same current only flowing. There is no use of putting a resistor in series to a current source. The current,
Okay,
see, current to find up to a node, it has the same current. That's what I told you previously also. In the mesh, you see, I told you, no, ma, if you have the edge, you have a current. In the mesh also, I told you. In the edge, if you have a current source, you can see this one, this branch, this problem. Up to the even it has a 3 ohms, so no use of this. Up to this, you have the same current flowing 4 amperes only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so there is no usage of having a seriously connected resistor current source. Shorting, what is the meaning of shorting as? If you have a wire, okay, wire there, then shorting, but the elements are there, so that is not a shorting. Okay, your doubt is clear, pa?
Yes, ma'am. I mean, the second equation, will it be like 10 minus V2 or V2 minus 10?
Where 10 is going to be, V2 minus, always you have to start writing the node only, ma. This only higher potential. Should be V2 minus 10 only. Yeah. So, okay, this one we'll collect it, ma. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 3 into V1 minus 1 by 3 into V2 is equal to 5. That will be your equation number 1 only. Okay, this equation. Then going for the next node 2.
And it will be like V2 minus 10 by 1.
1 second. Okay. Not to just say, I'll write. So V2 minus 10 divided by 1, because everything is only leaving here. So all are only leaving because we don't have any current source. Other than the current source leaving, but you see this voltage is like this. Instead of this, if I have a voltage like this, then it will be how much? V2
Plus
plus
10.
10. Okay, ma. You should see the direction properly. According to that, we have to write it. Okay, since our direction is like this, so that is going to be minus only now. All these things you should consider while doing the problem there. Okay, so plus, if I take this one, it will be, if I
V2
take 5
minus
ohm
2
branch,
by 5.
right? V2 by 5 or
V2
V2 minus
minus 2
0
by 5.
by 5. Later you can omit that 0 if you can write only V2 by 5. That is also right only now. So this branch, how do you write? V2 minus
V2 minus V1 by
V1 by 3 is equal to what?
is equal to 0.
0. So this will be a second equation. Then collect the terms. So it will be like 1 by 1 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3. V2, no, this is V2. Sorry, I'm writing V2. V1 is minus 1 by 3 into V1 plus this one is equal to 10. This will be your equation 3 and 4, like that I will write. So solve equation 3 and 4 and get me the answers of V1 and V2.
Where did
Ma'am,
it come from? Volt.
Padma,
Okay,
I can't hear you properly.
ma'am. That I thought where the 10 came from. Volt is there, 10 voltage.
This one, Amma. So this one, see 10. 10 volt is minus 10 by 1 is there, no, ma. This I'm
Yes,
bringing
ma'am.
the other side. 0
Got
by
it,
5
ma'am.
is 0. So this is 10 is coming this side now.
Okay, ma'am.
See, another thing is also there, ma. By just seeing the inspection method also, you can see that. See, in this branch V1, what are the elements connected? For V1, you should have 10. 1 by of this 10, 1 by of this 3 into V1. Between V1 and V2 have only 3. So it will be 1 by 3 because of this one negative because higher branching. So minus will come. So this is equal to 5. But coming over here, you can see this is the inspection method. V2, if you see, it is 1 by 1 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3 will come. But since it is higher potential, it will be minus 1 by 3 will come. So this is equal to this voltage. 10. Like that you will get. Okay. That is called inspection method. So you can do by inspection. Once you are familiar with doing many problems, you can directly see the problem and you can write. Okay. But initially you should only write by normal way only. Get me the answer, students. What is the value of V1 and V2, ma? All of you.
Ma'am,
V1 is
V1
19.87
Okay.
and V2 is 10.84.
Yeah, that is right answer because
Yes,
I
ma'am.
also have answered me. So that is right only. 19 point something and 10.9 volt. This is what the exact answer for V1 and V2. Questions? Okay, is it okay about the nodal? Any doubts is there, ma? With this, I think we'll stop the nodal analysis. Later, we'll do some other problems if time is there. Okay. Any doubt is there in the nodal? You can ask me so that we are going to shift to the next
Ma'am, can
one.
you please forward? Ma'am, last question. I want to see the answer.
Yeah, I'm showing you. I'm showing right now. 19.85 volt and 10.9 volt, ma. Shall we go to the next one, students?
Wait a second, ma'am. We completed. Who is that? Is it Manav or somebody else? Time up, time up. Others, don't allow this there, ma? All of you? Is it understandable nodal analysis? You have to do many problems and see students, then only you get the variation. My V1 is coming 7.89.
Then that is wrong. I would have made some mistake because I've done and seen also this one.
Okay.
This is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 3 is how much?
1.43.
0.43. Oh, this is 0.1 and this is the 1 by 3 is 0.33. Yeah. Okay, 0.43. Yeah. Okay. Then this is 0.43. This is 1 by 3 is 0.33. No, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my from node 1 equation, V2 is coming. V2 equal to 5 minus 0.433. V1 divided by 0.33.
See, no variation of equations. You should get only like this equation of 0.45 V1 minus 0.33 V2 is equal to 5. Whether you're getting that or not.
Ma'am, it was not 0.45. It was 0.43 V1 minus 0.33 equal to
Okay,
5 V2.
0.43. Okay, 43 only, ma. 43 V1. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just 0.3 and 0.5. That's not a problem. Then again, this is 0.33 V1. Okay, then this will be 5 inverse plus 3 inverse plus 1. So 1.533.
Yes, ma'am.
V2 is equal to 10. Solve this equation. See, you will be getting compulsory 19.8 and 10.9 only. I think there is some problem in solving one. Let's check it out.
Sorry, ma'am, I forgot a sign, minus sign.
Yeah, that's the issue. So, okay, students, up to this, okay. The next we'll go for, see, these is, till now we have seen two analysis. One is mesh, other one is nodal. Again, I'm repeating, right? If they are not giving anything, they generally ask to get the equation, I mean, get the values for V1, V2 or something like that, no problem. You can do by any method you want. But specifically, if they say mesh only, nodal or something like that, you should do only by that method. So before starting the next analysis, I want to just have this reduction in circuit. I want to just see how you people are doing.
Tendons.
Well, let us check that I have like this 10 volt, 2
Ma'am, what is
ohms, 4. Okay, like this, some circuit is given. Note down this circuit, all of you.
Ma'am, what is the topic name?
This is not a topic name, it's only a reduction of resistor, ma'am. I just want to give some, reduce the resistance and get me the total current like that. Okay. That's generalized thing. Note down the circuit and get the okay. Determine the current delivered by the source. It's only given like this. Determine the current delivered by the source.
I'm 0.37 ampere.
You only should say. So how to reduce, students? Because nothing is asked here. So generally, in this case, you will go for reducing your resistance, isn't it? From where you have to start for reducing your resistance? Because next we are going to start Thevenin Ma.
I'm
There and
getting
all you will be having resistor
2.69.
equivalent combination. So there you should know where to reduce it. That's why I've given this problem before going there. Always from where you have to reduce, Ma?
Ma'am, 4
I'm
ohm.
from right corner.
Source is here, so we have to start from the other end. Wherever source is here, because of that, from the other end, you have to come reducing it to here. Okay, that's what generally we used to do. So first these two, 4 and 4, how they are connected in series, isn't it? 4 and 4 are connected in series. What is the equivalent value? 4 plus 4, how much is that?
8, ma'am, directly 8.
Oh, 8 will be coming. Okay. So this is 8 ohms. And here is one more 8 ohm is there. This is 3 ohm. Then this is 2 ohms. So now how these three resistors are connected? 3, 8 and 8, how they are connected?
Parallel.
Parallel.
R1,
So 1
R1,
divided by
R2.
1 by 3 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 will be this value. So students,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
how much is this?
Ma'am, I am getting
I got
3.7
12 by 7.
1.
3 point?
3.714, ma'am.
Ma'am, 0.533 will be the answer.
0.533.
Yes.
No, ma'am, I am getting 2.69.
2.69, ma'am. 2.69 is the answer.
Ma'am, acha, 1.8. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1.71 I got.
1.71.
For this, what you are showing right now, the answer is 3.714.
Okay, you're saying the total. I'm talking about this only this part now. Okay.
Ma'am,
This is
1.71.
So this is
1.7.
1.71, isn't it, ma?
Yes,
So this is-
0.583.
Is it okay, all of you? This part.
That
Yes,
is
ma'am.
0.583, not 1.71.
So this is 3.71 total resistor. Is that
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
all of you?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
Total resistance of the circuit is 3.71.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me,
This
ma'am.
is 1. Okay. So now what is the current is 10 divided by
Excuse me,
this
ma'am.
one?
2.9.
2.7.
Excuse me, ma'am.
2.69.
Yes, same.
Ma'am, while adding 1.8, 1 by 8 divide plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 3 is 0.58 something.
No,
0.583.
take you see 3 inverse plus 8 inverse plus 8 inverse, and how much is 0.58? Okay.
And that
Inverse
will be
of that.
divided by 1. Yes, ma'am.
Inverse of that is 1.71, ma.
1.8 is 0.25, 112, 0.12 plus 0.12 plus 0.3.
भाई वो 0.125 है भाई, कैलकुलेटर यूज कर ले।
भाई क्या कर रहा है?
Hey, 0.58.
हाँ
you
यार
get-
भाई
Always
Ma'am
one
is
point-
correct. Whatever it's written is correct.
Yeah, this is what the right answer, ma. What is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
problem?
It's
Who
correct,
is that?
ma'am.
yes
Ma'am,
ma'am
Ah,
correct.
it's correct.
It's correct, ma'am.
Normal, small problem, normal mathematical thing. So 10 divided by 3.71 is how much? 2.68. So the current delivered by the source is going to be, current across this channel is going to be 2.69 volt.
Ampere,
What?
ma'am.
Sorry, amperes, sorry, not volt, amperes, because we're talking about current. This is the
Amperes.
answer. Okay, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll give another problem. You all do it and see, so that I will take the attendance time up. Okay. See, why I'm doing with this problem is, you should know from where you have to start reducing, because always wherever it's asked, you have to go to the other end for reducing. Okay, you cannot start here saying this, ma'am, this 2 and 3 are in parallel or series. No, you should always go to the other end, how they are series, then it's parallel, then it's series. Like this only you have to reduce. For that only I'm giving this problem, this type of problem. For next 7 and this will help you a lot. All of you note down this like this problem. So this is 30 volt, 2 ohms, 1 ohm. This is also 2 ohm. This is 4 ohm, 2 ohms, 2 ohms. This is 2 ohm, 1 ohm, and this is also 2 ohms. Okay. So these are all 2 ohms, students. All these things are outside also 2 ohms. This is 4 ohm, and the down 2 are in 1 ohm. That's all. Okay. Same question, determine the current delivered by the source.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you make it the last 2 ohm to 1 ohm? The last, right corner.
Oh, you want it to be make easier
Yes,
to
ma'am.
solve.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem.
ma'am.
If you want, you can do it. I want only the ultimately answer. So this is the problem given. Yeah,
Okay.
even I solved it, got the answer also. If you want, you can take that and solve it. No issues. I want only to solve the problem and see this type of problem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Can you please make it 1 ohm right now? Like it will make it way easier. Like with calculation at least, not the technique itself.
And if you have a calculator, you will not think of that, ma. If you don't have a calculator, then you make it as 2 ohms and then do no problem. That's what I told right now. Okay. If you want your calculation part simpler, you can do it and see. Okay. So, if you have a calculator, you need not worry. Any type of values are giving you should be positioned to do it immediately. Okay, that's what I told you, to carry a calculator with you. So okay, all of you do it. Meanwhile, I'll take the attendance. Have you all noted down?
One second, ma'am.
You're still noting, huh? Just time up.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, done.
Okay, answer attendance, Joel,
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnav,
Yes, ma'am.
Shriniket,
Present, ma'am.
Sai Skanda. Sai Skanda, your mic is not working as usual, or you're there or not there. Sriram.
Ma'am, present,
Sriram
ma'am.
Santosh. Who is present? Sriram.
Sriram present, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am,
okay, ma.
Sai Skanda raised his hand.
Okay, ma. Chari, okay. Harshad.
Present, ma'am.
Harshad Singh Rathore.
Harshad present, ma'am.
Present. Okay. Ekjot. Ekjot. Ekjot is not there. Huh? Shakti.
Present.
Manav.
Present, ma'am.
Akash. Akash.
Present, ma'am.
Then Liket. Liket Shrikar. Shrikar is not there. Shravan Sai Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Vishnu.
Present, ma'am.
Jahnavi.
Present, ma'am.
Ishan.
Present, ma'am.
Sanindya.
Present, ma'am.
Itish.
Present, ma'am.
Aditya.
Ma'am, he has written in the chat box. He's present.
Okay, ma. Okay. Jeevan.
Present, ma'am.
Elena.
Present, ma'am.
Anish.
Present, ma'am.
Ashutosh.
Present, ma'am.
Pramit.
Present, ma'am.
Prarthana.
Present, ma'am.
Yashwant.
Present, ma'am.
Shresh.
Present, ma'am.
Anand.
Present, ma'am.
Sakshi.
Present, ma'am.
Anush. Anush Mishra. Not there. Raunak.
Present, ma'am.
Aryan Abhijit.
Present, ma'am.
Sandan.
Present, ma'am.
Joshua. Joshua. Sarang.
Present, ma'am.
Anmol.
Present, ma'am.
Manas.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Bijoy.
Present, ma'am.
Gautam Krishna. Nabiha.
Present, ma'am.
Nabiha.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Samriddhi.
Present, ma'am.
Manideep.
Present, ma'am.
Anurag.
Present, ma'am.
Juhi.
Present, ma'am.
Vahi Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Rehan. Rehan. Neeraj.
Present, ma'am.
Harshit Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Yash.
Present, ma'am.
Ansh.
Present, ma'am.
Navnita Krishna. Navnita Krishna. Not there. Abhinavi.
Present, ma'am.
Ishani. Ishani. Mathav.
Present, ma'am.
Mathav. Okay. Raghav. Raghav Menon. Someshwar.
Present, ma'am.
Pratham. Salvi
Present,
Pratham.
ma'am.
Shirag.
Present, ma'am.
Hitesh.
Present, ma'am.
Shakti Shanmugam.
Present, ma'am.
Arunmay,
Present, ma'am.
Jaslin Raj. Jaslin Raj. Abhinav,
Present, ma'am.
Adamya,
Yes, ma'am.
Adi Mitra,
Present, ma'am.
Balashiva,
Present, ma'am.
Ankesh Kumar, Angesh Kumar. Okay, students, you can leave. Thank you.
Ma'am, question.
Regan Aditya.
Answer.
Isma, who's that?
Ma'am, that question is for the homework or what?
No, now you have to give me the answer. No, we didn't complete.
Yeah, ma'am. No.
The answer is 58 by 54, ma'am. 58 by 55 or 1.54, 1.054. I'm creating.
1.05 will be a total resistance. What I have given.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you are taking your own, I think you can, according to that, you can give. If you take 2 ohms for easier evaluation, you can give your answers. So for
Ma'am,
me,
I
as per the-
28.46 ampere.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we will complete this so that next class we'll straight away go to the next analysis. So total resistances R equivalent is going to be 28 point, sorry, 1.05.
Yes, ma'am. 1.054.
Yeah, 1.05.
Current is 28 point something coming.
Yes, my current is
28.5.
1.05 ohms. So current is 30 ohms across this one. 30 volt across 1.05. So it's going to be current is going to be
28.44.
0.57
Yes,
something. Okay, 28
Yes,
point
ma'am,
something. Or
Yes, ma'am.
29 you can give approximately. So listen students, what is that I want to say here is, see, you have to start from the other end. So these two, how they are connected in series. Okay, so this is in parallel with this. Then these two are in series. This is in parallel with this. Then these two combination will be in series. Then that is in parallel with this. Then that combination series which is 1 ohm and that is parallel with this. Like this, step by step you have to take which is there in series and parallel combination, then you have to come to the conclusion. Is it okay, students? So that's how we got 1.05. If you don't have any doubts, you can leave, students. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can wait. You can just ask me. Whether everybody is able to do this problem?
Yes, ma'am.
So no doubt is there, you can leave. Thank you, students. Time up.
Ma'am, can you please upload the materials in VTop?
Yeah, I've started uploading ma one by one. I'll do ma. At least some introduction only I started uploading. One by one I'll complete.
Ma'am?
Yeah, started uploading today only. I started ma mostly by
No, ma'am, not
tonight.
that. I have a question for that.